Don't throw away your cardboard boxes, because I'm going to show you how to upcycle this box into a high-end home decor piece for Easter. An Easter bunny. I finished cutting out my bunny. It was easy to draw and easy to cut out. Hippity hoppity. I am going to spray paint our cardboard bunny with this silver lilac by Rust-Oleum. I love to thrift, and I got a great buy on this Christmas garland of these pretty colors here that I'm going to use to outline our Easter bunny. I will have to cut the garland in pieces to get right at the edge of our Easter bunny. I will be putting the garland all around the edge of the bunny. I am using hot glue to apply this garland. Doing the bunny ears is the fun part. Now I am just dabbing some super glue at the ends of the pieces of garland that I cut so that they don't fray and the beads come off and it dries clear. And look how adorable this is. It looks great just as it is, but I'm not done yet. I am going to use some fun buttons that I have for his eyes. He's gonna be whimsical. See, it looks great. I'm so excited. He's gonna be such a fun bunny. This is a stone from a broken bracelet that I'm going to use for his nose. This is what we have so far. He is looking so cute. I'm going to use this black Sharpie to make his mouth. I went through my ribbon to see what I had that was whimsical and fun and came across this here with the polka dots, and we are going to make the bunny a bow tie. I am going to fan the ribbon in the middle, and as you can see, I made a bow tie. So to hold it together, I'm going to start out with the zip tie, but you will see that I actually had to remove the zip tie and I just tied a piece of string because I couldn't get it to adhere onto the bunny board, and I need the bow tie. Love it. Okay, I am back, and as you can see, what I have dangling here is some clearance jewelry from Hobby Lobby, as I love to buy all of these type of things that are very inexpensive because I know I will use them. And as you can see, I'm going to use each strand here for the whiskers on our adorable bunny. I am applying these beaded strands with gem tack. The glue starts out coming out okay, but then it was plugged somehow, so I actually ended up having to cut the tip off and getting a toothpick and just drawing with the glue where I want the whiskers and then applying the strands. And it looks like I'm heavy on the glue, and it's okay because this glue dries clear so you won't see it, but I need to make sure that the whiskers stay. Geez, sometimes things can be so difficult, you know? And here he is, everyone. He is poppin'. He is whimsical, he is cute, and he came from a cardboard box. I love it. I love these type of things.